we'll guide you through how to convert Photoshop file to PowerPoint. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Adobe Photoshop by clicking the Windows Start button on your computer. Then, type Adobe Photoshop in the search bar and press Enter to quickly find the program. When it appears in the results, click Open to launch the application and wait until it fully loads. Next, click File in the top menu. Then select Open and choose your PSD file from your computer. After the file loads, review all layers carefully in the Layers panel to understand how the design is structured. If needed, organize, rename, or merge layers to simplify the file and make it easier to handle during export. Then, adjust the image size by clicking Image and selecting Image Size so it matches the dimensions of a PowerPoint slide, such as widescreen or standard format. Once the size is set correctly, click File, go to Export, and choose Export As to begin preparing the file for use outside Photoshop. In the Export Settings window, select PNG or JPEG format, as both are widely supported and work well in PowerPoint presentations. After choosing the format, set the desired quality and resolution to ensure the image looks clear and professional. Then click Export and save the file to a location you can easily find. Now, open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer and wait for it to start. Create a new presentation or open an existing file where you want to add the image. Navigate to the specific slide where the image should be placed. Then, click Insert in the top menu. Choose Pictures and select the file you exported from Photoshop. Once the image appears on the slide, adjust its position and size to fit your layout and design needs. Finally, save your PowerPoint file by clicking File, then Save As, choosing your preferred location and file name to complete the process. Make sure the image remains high quality after resizing by checking that the resolution is at least 72 to 150 pixels per inch for presentations. If your design contains text, ensure it is readable and not too small before exporting. You can duplicate slides in PowerPoint to reuse the same image layout if needed. Take a moment to preview the slide in slideshow mode to confirm everything appears correctly. This check helps ensure your converted Photoshop file looks clean, sharp, and professional in your presentation.